Hi guys, doing something that makes me very uncomfortable, and that's vlogging in a parking lot. But when I asked what you guys want to see more of on my channel, on my Instagram, a lot of you were like, I want shop with me's and more food videos. So today's gonna be combining both of those. I'm at Costco. I'm solo at Costco. No husband, no baby. We normally all come together as a family because it is like fun. Like we love Costco, but it was kind of close to nap time. We need some stuff. I really want some more snacky type things for Milo, so I really am going to take my time and peruse today. Enjoy myself, look down every aisle, which Bradley always hates, but I'm like, no, you never know what you're gonna find at Costco. We gotta look down I'm so self-conscious. We gotta look down every aisle and see what they have. And today I can do that. So I'm very excited. So I brought my vlog camera. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna bring my vlog camera in. I think I'm just gonna bring my phone in. I'll probably get too nervous to vlog in there, but regardless, I will give you a haul when we get home and give you like sneak peeks of what I get. But yeah, as far as like our basics that we need here, we need quite a few of them. So I thought it would be a good time to do like a shop with me and a haul, just to show you like what we get at Costco. We come here usually, I'd say probably every other month. Maybe once a month, I don't know. But we do have quite a few of our like life staples from here, so we're out of them, we're going to get them, and I thought I'd bring you guys along. Alright, so this is what I got so far. We're looking into a new sink, and they have a couple, so I was looking at it, but I think I hate it, so great. Also, I'm way too nervous to vlog in public, so I only vlogged in this out because there's nobody here. These are super fun. They're like adult coloring books, but also word searches, which I love. I'm very tempted, I won't lie. They have Disney and then they have Nightmare Before Christmas. That is so fun. Back, just unloaded everything. I thought I'd give you a look. Not pictured or whatever. Diapers and paper towels. We keep both of the back stocks of those in the garage, so they're in there. But yeah, just thought I'd go through what we got. So, like I said, I was looking for some snack options for Milo. I got the Kirkland organic applesauce pouches. He's still figuring out. Like it has to be very supervised or else it'll be a mess. But he is understanding the pouch situation and he really likes it. And I got him some from Trader Joe's. But this is just better ingredients. It's just organic apples and ascorbic acid to maintain color. But it's organic, easy on the go to just throw in the diaper bag. We just went to Disneyland yesterday and we brought some of the pouches with us and he loves it. So yeah, picked up that. I also picked these up for Milo, but also for me. These are the these are the Simple Mills sweet thins. They're like, I think they're supposed to be like graham crackers. I follow a couple nutritionists and they both love this brand. And I've had their, I think it's their almond flour crackers and I love them. So I wanted to try these. So we're gonna do it right now. But also an easy snack option for Milo too. Always looking for something I can just hand him or put on his little plate in one of his cubbies. They smell incredible and they don't have any sugar in them. Oh, they're made with coconut sugar. I was waiting for a weird aftertaste. Sometimes that happens with these types of things, but so far pretty good. Oh my God. I'm just gonna stand here and eat these. And these are grain-free, non-GMO. Those are delicious, holy crap. So, yum. I don't know what I was gonna do with my hand, so that's what, I think I was gonna do this, but then I didn't. Oh my word. I'm choking. In this box, I have some chicken, but that's gross, so we're not gonna look up at that. But I did get some chicken. As far as produce, I was like ready to like buy our produce for the week there. They were out of every kind of berry except blueberries, and they weren't organic and they were still pricey. So I was like, I'm just gonna make a Trader Joe's run. We don't need berries like today, but in the next couple of days, I'll just do my Trader Joe's run. I have a berry toddler, which I saw a TikTok about how berry toddlers are so expensive. And they are, but I would like, again, I love that he loves fresh fruit. And it's just something so easy to serve with every meal. Still working on veggies, but anyway, I was prepared to like drop some money on some produce today and I didn't get to because they were sold out of everything. But I did get the Magnifico I'm still joking. But I did get the Magnifico organic grape tomatoes. These are my favorite from Costco. They are so good. Like they just the look of them is so delicious. If I keep these in the fridge, and it will last me for at least 2 weeks. So I will go through this for the most part. And then I got some avocados. Costco avocados are unmatched. They are so delicious. And so I always buy some when I'm there. And my trick with avocados is I just keep 2 out at like room temperature to ripen. I put the rest in the fridge and just kind of pull them out as I need them. They will last like 3 to 4 weeks in the freezer. Nope, in the fridge. And so that's really worked out for us as far as like making the bag of avocados last longer and not have them all ripen at the same time and then not use them all. And the Costco ones, trust me, they're so delish. This is a naughty purchase, but I'm so excited. This is the CheezIts Snapped. I really try to like, I mean, we have different sorts of chips on hand. We mostly have like cracker type things. I try not to keep like chips in the house because I will eat them every day. And these are pretty much chips, but if you haven't tried the CheezIts Snapped, they are so good. I like this flavor, which I think is the original flavor. They also have, I think, a ranch flavor. I love that one as well, but I love these. Really looking forward to my lunch today because I'm gonna eat these with it. I haven't actually tried this, but I got this pack of tortellini. It's just like the Kirkland brand. It was a pretty good price. You got all this tortellini for 10 bucks. And I saved a recipe on TikTok. It was like veggie tortellini soup. Does anybody else like send a bunch of TikToks to their partner and then like late at night in bed, you're like, let's watch the TikToks I sent you. That's what we do all the time. So we watched it together and he was also like, oh yeah, let's make that. And so I picked this up so we can try it in that soup, and then Milo would probably love cheese tortellini. I don't know that he's tried it. He loves ravioli, but it's, you know, the same situation. So I was excited about that. It was a good price. I don't know if it's any good yet. I'll let you know. But I see in people's Costco hauls all the time that they buy these. So hopefully they're good. They look pretty good. Some frozen staples for us. We have the chicken taquitos. Now these, El Monterey. You can buy these at normal grocery stores like Vaughn's, Ralph's, whatever. I did that. Those have beans in them and I hate beans. It was also in my first trimester when it happened and I bit into beans. I'm very weird about beans. Like I will gag. Sent me into like a 20-minute gagging spree. So just know that. But the Costco ones are just chicken and cheese. They are so good. We like them a little toastier than they suggest, so we leave them in for a couple extra minutes. We whip up some fresh guacamole. It is so good. It's an easy lunch or like late night dinner if we need something, but I love these. And that graham cracker really went down the wrong pipe. And if I'm not mistaken, I don't think these were too bad on Weight Watchers, which is cool. We love these so much. I got 2 packs. These are the Kirkland brand Supreme Cauliflower Crust Pizza. I follow somebody on Instagram that talked about how good these were, and so I tried it. It is truly so good. It's the best cauliflower pizza I've ever had. I like cauliflower. Like, we eat cauliflower in a bunch of different ways. I don't like to eat it just plain, but I do like it. Like, we make cauliflower chicken fried rice with half cauliflower rice, half normal rice, and it is so good. Milo loves it, and that's a really great way to get veggies into him. Cauliflower pizza. I ate something the other day that had cauliflower in it. But whatever. Anyway, I have tried a few cauliflower crust pizzas. This is by far my favorite. It has mushrooms, peppers, zucchini. I pick off the zucchini. I'm not a fan of zucchini. Sausage and pepperoni. It's just so tasty. So we get 2 of these. You get 2 pizzas in a box, I think for like 11 bucks. And I get 2 of them. So we have 4 pizzas. They're just a freezer staple for us. We love a frozen pizza night, especially if Bradley has hockey late or something. Had to stock up on those. This is a new purchase. There were several like new things I wanted to try today, but it's not like Trader Joe's where you could just pick up a bunch of new things to try, because it's like bulk items and they're kind of expensive. And it's happened too many times where I pick up something and we hate it. But I saw this and I had to have it. Okay, so Trader Joe's discontinued my very favorite. They still have their orange chicken, but it's dark meat. I don't like dark meat. They had, I think it was called tempura chicken, but it just tasted like sweet and sour chicken. It was so good they discontinued it. And ever since then, I've missed just having like a frozen food orange chicken option. And so we are going to try this. It's just white meat, frozen orange chicken. And I'm excited about it. Some rice in the rice cooker, maybe cook up some veggies, and bam. Milo loves all 3 of these, and this is a fantastic deal at Costco. You get 12 boxes of macaroni, but you get a variety. So you get the aged cheddar shells, white cheddar shells, and then just the normal macaroni and cheese. I also love all 3 of these, so often I make like a big batch of turkey meatballs and I will freeze them, like a really big batch. He loves them, and so I'll pull them out of the freezer, pop them in the oven, and then we'll have some mac and cheese on the side and whatever else. But that's kind of one of our go-to meals, especially he has picky days, and I can tell by the end of the day if it's a picky day or not. And I know he will always eat that meal if I make it. So yeah, he loves it, I love it. I love all of these mac and cheeses. My favorite right now though is just like the classic one. It's so good. So we are running low on this, so I picked this up and it was on sale. It was such a good deal. I got some breads. Okay, so I talked about this a while ago, but when we were getting our floors done, me and Milo and Ludo would go to my parents' house every day just so Milo could nap in a peaceful place and Ludo wasn't bothered by the workers, and my mom would make me lunch every day, which was fantastic. And she had these like fancy, I called them hot dog buns. She was like, Amy, they're French rolls. So it's like, oh. And so I became addicted to them. I've talked about them, that they just kind of level up your lunch. I'm always looking for new lunch ideas. I feel like I get stuck in the same rut of the same 3 different lunches, and just like a leveled up sandwich. Like my mom takes the time to cut up avocado and tomato to go onto the sandwich, and that's just something I never did. But now I've leveled up my sandwich life with these. I'll take the time to slice up a tomato and avocado. I'm worth it, you know? Okay, but I would buy a bag of these exact brand French rolls at Vons for like $5.60. This bag of 12 was $4.50, and I was like, I cannot leave this behind. I have to take this. So I'm going to try to freeze half of these, and we'll use half throughout the week. We also, this last week I had them from Vons, and I made like stuffed bell pepper soup, and it was so good. I am going to share that recipe somewhere. I'm still working out like where I'm gonna share recipes. I kind of want to do it everywhere, like a blog post, a reel. We'll figure it out. But on the side, we had like really toasted buttered French rolls. It was incredible. So these will get eaten. I was absolutely delighted with this, but even more delighted with croissants. I grew up in a Costco croissant household. Every time my mom went, she would get a pack of croissants. I love them. Costco croissants are incredible. You get 12 for $6, which is so good. Milo will eat them. I love them for breakfast with some butter and jam with eggs, an egg sandwich on them, a turkey sandwich, a croissant, excuse me. It's just, these will get eaten, and I love them so much. So I purchased those. And the last but not least, I picked up a 2-pack of their organic lemonade. It was on sale. This is our new favorite lemonade. It's heavy, I put it down. In the spring and summer that I was pregnant, I was craving cocktails, which is so not like me because I don't drink. But so I started making all these like lemonade mocktails and just like sweet drinks, and I was making mango lemonade, and we eventually tried the Costco lemonade because it is so affordable. I think I got 2 of those, that 2-pack for $5. In the summer, I will purchase the mango juice from Trader Joe's and mix it in. I got pineapple juice, like you could just, we made a big batch of the mango lemonade for Milo's birthday party. It's just so delicious, but we still drink it now, even though it's like winter. It's just nice to have a little bit of lemonade with your lunch, which right now I'm gonna go have lunch after I put this away. I'm gonna have a glass of lemonade, some CheezIts snapped, a croissant sandwich, and then probably some graham crackers for dessert. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to add it to the grocery hauls playlist. I will link it up in the corner. I just reorganized that playlist. It's all nice and neat and tidy if you want to check that out. But I have tons, years worth of grocery store hauls from Trader Joe's, some from Costco. I have like a Costco favorites, Sprouts, Whole Foods, Vons, wherever it may be. So if you want to binge some of that, I have that for you. But yeah, thank you guys so much. If you liked this style of video, let me know. I really did my best to do a shop with me. I know it wasn't great, but it's something I can work on. But yeah, I had the best time at Costco. I think I was gone for like, in total, I was gone for 2 hours. So that's a lot. I really took my time, but it was so nice. Now I'm going to put everything away, organize the fridge, and yeah, I love you guys. I will see you very soon with a new video. I hope you are having an amazing day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.